Hey there, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing one of our Class 1 Div 2 Extreme Environment Stainless Steel Industrial Box PCs. It's the AEx-2410. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll first look like when you open the box. You will see the cables and accessories in bubble wrap. Then underneath, there's the AEx-2410. So let's first take a look at all the cables and accessories. So in your accessories, you have M12 connector cables. So right here are your DC power cable, M12 to leads. Then you also have two Ethernet cables, which also comes with two Ethernet couplers here. And you also have a VGA cable, a serial cable, M12 to DE9. And then you have USB 2.0 cable, which is M12 to USB 2.0 Type A. So those are all your M12 connector cables that come with your AEx-2410. So here is the AEx-2410. It's encased in foam, so let's move it from the foam. And also it's in anti-static plastic. Let's move it from the plastic. So the AEx-2410 is a Class 1 Div 2 industrial box PC. It has a wide operating temperature between -20 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, or -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has a 316 stainless steel enclosure for extreme environmental applications. Let's take a look at the I/O for this PC. Now the I/O has M12 connectors. So the first one is a DC 936 volt. This is your power connector right here. And then you have a LAN connector for Ethernet, USB 2.0 connector, and serial COM port connector right here, another LAN port, and VGA for video. And you also have those corresponding cables that come with your accessories. Then also you'll notice on the sides of the PC, these are the wall mounts. So let's take a look at the top of the PC. Right here are four 100mm by 100mm VESA mounting bolt holes. And then right here, the AEx-2410 comes standard with a non-embedded Windows license, which is what this is right here. So once you receive this PC, you'll need to activate it yourself. You'll scratch off the sticker right here to see the code. And I'll share a link to another video at the end of this video showing you how to complete the activation process. You also have the option of purchasing this PC with a Linux license instead of Windows. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.